Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW i8 vs Taycan, which is better. Compare performance, efficiency, design, and ownership costs in clear, bite-sized segments so you can decide which fits your lifestyle. I will highlight driving feel, charging and fuel practicality, maintenance expectations, and real-world daily usability. Expect direct comparisons and friendly guidance to help you choose confidently between a hybrid sports car and a pure electric performance sedan. Let's talk performance in a friendly way that helps you imagine driving each car. I'll compare acceleration, cornering behavior, and how power is delivered under real conditions. We'll discuss throttle response, steering feel, and how each car communicates with the driver, plus how weight and drivetrain choices affect day-to-day driving. This section aims to make it easy to picture which car matches your driving priorities. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you enjoy organized travel or packed lunches between drives, consider leak-proof meal prep containers as a small upgrade for convenience. They keep food secure on commutes to the track or during long test drives, and they make life easier when you're balancing ownership tasks. If you want to grab them or see other recommended gear, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover practicality in plain terms so you can assess daily ownership. I'll compare range considerations, charging versus refueling convenience, and how interior space suits passengers and cargo. Expect tips on typical commute use, long trips, and how charging infrastructure affects ownership. I'll also point out maintenance realities and insurance tendencies, so you can weigh real costs beyond sticker price when choosing between a hybrid sports car and an electric performance vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.